morning. 10th standard. Obviously today's date 29th October 2020. Today 29th October we are going to start a new lesson, 10th standard. Recapitulation time and again will be after completion of unit 2. That time regarding prose, this girl by the track. If you have any doubt and questions, you will clear it. Make the notes properly. Come next week, have your correction walk also sitting with me. God bless you, 10th standard. Holidays are coming during festival hours, but extra video lessons. I am sending you attachment yesterday logs. You have got it. Keep on study at random. Saturday, Sunday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday in this week. Don't neglect your education because SSLC board will not seek for anyone else. Board, university, they will have their examination in time and you have to show your potential in your all competitive examination paper. That is your writing work. So my dear students, 10th standard group, get ready with your textbook, English, and you know me well, Shashwati Chaudhary. So all the video lessons are going on. I think you are studying it properly. Attachment also, you will do the note work. You will make the note, create note, do it in a loving manner. Neat and clean notebook I want to see whenever. Already few students class 10 they came. They had done their homework nicely. I hope so. Other students also do it in that way. So today 10th standard our topic is quality of mercy. Before going to start the lesson, the poem Quality of Mercy, it is actually one speech. If you read, obviously I want that my students, you can understand English well. You have no doubt, no confusion. Continuously I am speaking English in your state-oriented, Karnataka state-oriented syllabus. And I am happy to announce that my students 10th from JC English High School, they are coming to me and they are telling that they have no problem. They can understand well. So in English medium, this tuning is required. You will listen in English and you will speak well English and write well English. These three schemes are very important. So, quality of mercy, here it's a speech. It has been taken from the great novel Merchant of Venice. This speech is specifically of Portia. William Shakespeare. You see page 44. Please turn over your page 44. You see William Shakespeare, who has composed this speech, and it is an extract. This speech has been taken from Merchant of Venice, the trial scene, last hours. Portia's speech in the court. Portia fought for Antonio's life. If you read the whole story, you will feel free to understand Shakespeare's characterization in different ways. Hamlet, Julius Caesar, Merchant of Venice, King Lear, and so on. So please study Shakespeare when you are my student. William Shakespeare. Open page 44, your textbook. William Shakespeare was born on April 23, 1564 in Stratford-on-Avon. He was regarded as the foremost dramatist of his time. His sonnets were composed between 1593 and 1601. The sonnets of Shakespeare, 154 in number, all written in the form of 3 quotations, and that is the 3 quatrains, and a couplet. In sonnet, you will get couplet, you will get quatrains. So what happened, dear students? There you have got the curtains, and the carpet. That is now recognized as Shakespearean sonnet, because John Milton also written sonnet. Following John Milton, Michael Madhusoodan Dutt of India, he has also framed sonnet, and very much reputation he has also got in English literature. John Milton, if you read, you will understand what is sonnet. Similar way, William Shakespeare also composed lot of sonnet for the readers. So viewers, it is your choice. You will calculatively go through different sonnets. Then you will calculatively keep on reading different novels, tragedies, comedies of William Shakespeare and other good authors in English literature. The sonnets fall into two groups, sonnets 1 to 126, addressed to a beloved friend, a handsome and noble young man, and sonnets 127 to 152 to a married but fascinating dark lady, whom the poet loves in spite of himself. Nearly all of Shakespeare's sonnets examine the inevitable decay of time and the immortalization of beauty and love in poetry. In his poem and plays, both tragedies and comedies, Shakespeare he had done his research, invented thousands of words, his impressive expansion of the English language, according to the Oxford English Dictionary, includes such words as birthplace, blood-sucking, courtship, dewdrop, downstairs, radiant, schoolboy, stillborn, watchdog. These are all the Shakespearean words. So you please read William Shakespeare's different tragedies and comedies. Best one, Midsummer Night's Dream. And tragedies I told you already, Macbeth, Hamlet, then Julius Caesar, Othello, and so on, King Lear, etc., etc. Shakespeare wrote more than 30 plays. These are usually divided into four categories: history, comedies, tragedies, and romances. His earlier plays were primarily comedies and histories such as Henry VI and the Comedy of Errors. Shakespeare wrote Romeo and Juliet, one fantastic play, his second tragedy, and ever the next dozen years he would return to the form, writing the plays for which he is now best known. I already informed you few minutes back. Come to the point, page 44 in your textbook. Julius Caesar. Cowards die many times before their death. Hamlet, Othello, King Lear, Macbeth, and Antony and Cleopatra. In his final years, Shakespeare turned to the romantic with Cymbeline, A Winter's Tale, and The Tempest. So, there are so many things to say about Shakespeare. Never ending. We all love William Shakespeare till date, forever and forever. A big figure in English literature. So my dear 10th student group, please keep on reading Shakespeare's different sonnets, different tragedies, comedies, and so on. In English literature, without William Shakespeare, it's not complete. With William Shakespeare, lot of things you have to invent. So William Shakespeare's quality of mercy is Portia, the main character. Another character, Antonio. So to save Antonio's life in the trial scene, at last, Portia dedicatedly given the speech. First, I am going to the glossary. I have written on the board also. Please follow the board well. Here, reading activity during this long time. This is my part 1. Already you are getting in between, including Sunday holidays. So very shortly, part 2 also I will give you. Keep on reading and keep in contact with your education. Memorize the poem because in SSLC board examination, Karnataka State Board, compulsory memorization of the poem, fill in the blanks category, you will get it. So my dear 10th group, please successfully memorize the poem. It is written for memorization, means compulsory. You should memorize Quality of Mercy after my explanation. Glossary, all the word meanings, read well. Main concept in Unit 2. This Girl by the Tracks by Devin Cannell and Quality of Mercy, the board members they have selected. William Shakespeare's Compassion, expressing sympathy. So this much now only. Shortly, Ms. Chaudhary coming back with Quality of Mercy. Thank you.